Hi, Gracie.
Say hi.
Somebody get her pointed walking in this direction. Hi, Grace.
Here, you want to do your stroller? You can just go for a run.
Yeah, Grace. Hey. Grandma's not very good at this.
Hey, go this way.
Because I need to zoom out, but I don't know where the zoom is. This? Okay. Whoops. Gracie. Hi there. Hi, baby. What you doing, girl? Are you taking your baby doll for a walk? Looky here. Look at Grandma. Woohoo. Woohoo. Hey.
Grayson.
Hi.
You gonna go see the flowers? See the flowers? See Grandma's pretty flowers?
And we're not going to eat the mulch today like
Whoop.
we did yesterday. No eating the mulch.
Gracie.
Grace.
Tape mode.
Hi.
I am taping, right?
Your red dot.
Yeah.
Yay.
Hey, Grandpa.
Hi.
Hey, Grandpa.
Whoa! Boom! Boom! Hi, girl. You gonna come? See Grandma?
Can she reach the pole?
Put her on it.
Right on the big wheel.
Gracie. Grandma.
You know, you can make this work.
Okay, I haven't figured that one out yet. Gracie. Gracie girl. All right.